Bonjour everyone, my name is Ian and I'm from Singapore doing the year program at Gastronomicom. I'm doing the year program in Gastronomicom in all pastry, cuisine and French. It's been a great experience here for a year, especially doing the French lessons with both. I have the opportunity to do the French lessons with both teachers here, Diane and Stéphane. And I started with Stéphane in Gastronomicom, and he equips you with the skills of survival in French, in France, and especially learning the language as a local. On the other hand, with Diane, it's been a wonderful experience with her. She drills you with all the basic grammars, the fundamentals of the French language. And if you're into the French language itself, it's a wonderful experience trying to learn the basics and the fundamentals of French with Diane. So it has been a wonderful experience here for a year, and I've done the stage in Gastronomicom, and thanks to the teachers here, I'm able to converse and communicate with the kitchen that I work with during my stage. Merci Gastronomicom et à bientôt.